Hello everyone. How you guys are doing? I'm going back live again. um, I wanted to take this time to kind of just share um the basically the amazing the amazing news, or not amazing news, but just the amazing opportunity that I have have been blessed with being a part of. Um, I am I'm just super happy. I've been let me introduce myself first. I have that bad doing that. I just go into talking and not even introduce myself. My name is Coach Keke. I do help and educate students of forex and basically binary, which stands for which is also AKA HFX, high frequency forex, which is about trading. If you heard of stocks, if you're familiar with stocks and everything, also people can trade forex, and it's actually a $1 trillion market. So forex, a lot of people trade forex, guys. Um, I was I literally was not familiar with forex until 2017. That's kind of when I had access, well, not access, but that's when I learned about it, and I found out about it on Facebook from someone that I was friends with on Facebook. I decided to give it a try, and to be honest, I became immediately passionate about wanting to learn more about forex. I didn't learn. I'm going to be honest with you. I didn't learn forex right away. I didn't even catch on to literally start trading, learning how to read the charts and things like that. I didn't learn it until 2 years later. Why? Because I kept giving up. Literally, I just kept giving up. I just every time I would, take a L, which is a lesson in trading, a loss. Every time I lost, I would just point blank give up. And what kept motivating me is keep seeing everyone's posts about how they make so much in forex, how they, showing up their profits and everything like that. That would motivate me to get back in there and do it again, because I kept asking myself, okay, if they can do it, why can't I do it? And I just for some reason, even though I kept saying I can't do it, then I found myself saying, yes, you can, Keisha, you can do this. So that's what happened. I just went back in there. I was like, I'm not giving up this time. And guess what? I finally had my aha moment with 3 months of consistently studying, not giving up this time around. And I got it. So I caught on to it. October 2019 is when I caught on to trading. And I've been doing it ever since. It is my passion. I say that for a reason, because when I very first learned it, or when I very first found out about trading, something just would not just, push it to the side and just like let it go. And I mean, something kept motivating me, pulling me into wanting to know more, wanting to learn more, because I actually saw the potential in it. It wasn't one of those um, like a quick I don't know, how can I describe it? It wasn't one of those where you can just easily say, oh, this is just a scam, or this is just something that would be a complete waste of time. It wasn't nothing like that. I saw the huge potential behind trading and what it can do, and how it can help you create generational wealth if only if you desire to want for that to happen. So I saw all that, and I wanted it, and so that's the reason why I wouldn't give up, and I'm glad I didn't. So anyway, that is my story. And so the purpose of this live video, is I wanted to let you guys know that I am a partner with a company, an amazing company. It's called um, which is also known for IML, and iMarkets Live. But they are an amazing company. They've been around for a long time, and I feel like they are the very best forex educational platform that you can utilize and learn and educate yourself on forex. Okay, now I'm gonna put my disclaimer because I always do, because it's my job to do that. The disclaimer is this: we and I, the company that I'm talking about, that I've partnered with, we do not guarantee any X amount of dollars, meaning we do not guarantee you of making 5,000, 10,000, 1 million, things like that. We cannot guarantee. That would be illegal to do so. Cannot guarantee that you will make that much money. Only thing that we can possibly, with the purpose of I am, is to educate you about trading, how you can learn how to trade and how you can be successful at trading. That's it, nothing more. My purpose is to educate you on trading, showing you how you can literally learn how to trade, how you can learn binary options as well as traditional trading, how you can learn these things. Okay, you can learn how to do it, and my job is to educate you, show you that there's ways how you can do it by being successful at it, and you will have losses. I'll be lying to you if I told you you would not. You will lose some money, but also you can make some money, and it's all about learning and having trial and error, because there's going to be trial and error. Put it like this: when you were a kid, when you first learned how to ride a bike, you just didn't automatically knew how to ride a bike. It took some falls, I mean, and everybody's a journey with riding a bicycle is different. Some people, it may took 10 falls before they finally got it. Some people might took 20, some people might took 30. I mean, it's just depending on the individual. Everybody has their own journey. Everybody has their own story that along the way, as to how long it took them to learn something. Okay, and trading is the same way. With trading, there is a journey that a process that you have to go through. If you are wanting to learn it, there is a process you have to go through. Everybody's process is different. Everyone's story is going to be different. It's not going to be the same. Some people may say they learned trading within 3 months. Some may tell you they learned it in 2 months. Some may tell you they learned it in 6 months. Some may tell you they learned it in a year. Some people, like me, might even tell you to tell you that it took them 2 years. The reason behind my 2 years, if you can recall what I just had told you, I kept giving up. So that made my journey go a little bit longer on learning. Okay, so that does matter a lot. And so, but overall, the whole point is to let you guys know that you can be successful at trading, but it is my job to put the disclaimer, because I don't want anyone to be misled, or to think that, oh my goodness, I can make so much amount of money. You can lose a lot of money, but the whole point is to educate. I can't say this enough: to educate, to educate, to educate, to educate you on how you can be successful at trading. I don't want to scare you away, but but I do want you to be aware. I don't want to blindside you, but I want to be transparent, be honest with you. You can be successful, okay? And this is something that you can be successful at. I wouldn't sit here, take the time to make this video to mislead or to steer anyone in wrong. Okay, I'm not that type of person. All right. And so anyway, let's get into it. I'm already 8 minutes in of just talking. I wanted to do a IM presentation, because I have some slides I want to actually go through and let you learn about it. Take a little field trip to IM. Okay. If you have questions or concerns about anything, I will leave ways of how you can get in contact with me. Also, please follow me if you're not following me on IG, which is at Keke_talk. Please follow me over there. I do leave ton of valuable information over there, and I am planning on doing a little bit more IG lives and just pouring the content of information that I have. And so please, 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 if you're not doing that, follow me, follow me, follow me. But also, if you want to join my course, let me know. Okay, I would be happy to get you started with IM. You would not regret it. I promise, 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 you would not regret it. Okay, but let's get into it now. I'm 10 minutes in. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna share my screen with you and we will get started. All right. All right. Hopefully you guys can see this. Okay. All right. But I'm going to talk about some things. So this is the four-way cash flow. Cash flow. I don't know if you're familiar with, and I'm going to jack his name up because my pronunciation is horrible. But Kiyosaki, um, he has a book about four-way cash flow. You can look it up. Um, and let me see if I can look it up. Um, let me see here. I might can look it up really, really fast because I don't like jacking people's name ups. I really don't. I do not like jacking no one's name up. Okay, cash flow quadrant. Yeah. So Robert Kiyosaki. Yeah. Robert Kiyosaki. You can listen to it on audible.com as well as it should be audio books, but also you can go to YouTube too. But yeah, just listen to it, and you don't have to just listen to the audio. You can get the book as well. Um, it's just up to you, but it's a very good book. And it talks about again talks about the cash flow, four ways of um, how how everything is designed as far as people go and far as making money wise go. Okay, so you got here, and this is pretty much a real high statistic or a realistic statistic here of 35% works for themselves. Okay. 4% is business owners, 60% work for someone else. So that is a high number, but a realistic number here that 60% people work for someone. Now, is that a bad thing? Am I saying this is a horrible bad thing? No, I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but what am I saying is when you like to be able to have time freedom and be able to make money but have time or whatever instead of working, like working and you have no time. I mean, because when you're working for someone else, you can't control your hours, you can't control your days. Basically, majority, a lot of people say they don't really have control. Usually someone, your co-worker, um usually they may not come in, and what happens, the boss was will call you and say, hey, I know this is your off day, but can you come in because such and such did not come into work. So things like that happens, and you can't, it's out of your control. You may have plans with your kids, you may have plans with with your close loved ones, you may have make plans with them, and then now you have to tell them, hey, I apologize, but I have to go into work. I got the boss just called me in, I have to go in. That sucks. That is out of your control, but you have to go in. Why you got to go in? Because you don't want to lose your job. So you must have to go in regardless. So but the whole point of this is basically saying if you are a business owner or someone that is starting their own business, you have more control of of your time. Okay. And you will see the big difference behind that. 90% make only 5% of the entire market. um 5% make only, yeah, I just said that already, sorry. But 1% investor mindset. So it's only 1% of people have an investor mindset. What's an investor? That is what I'm getting into. I'm that's what my whole purpose is, to educate people, to show people how you can become an investor, and also someone, and you can be able to make this a business as well. But being an investor is so important. You can learn how to invest, okay? So let's get a little bit more into it. I'm gonna go a little faster than what I'm going here. Welcome to Foreign Exchange FRX. That's the package that is available with the company I'm partnering with, which is I am. So have you ever heard of the exchange markets? Guess how many zeros are in a trillion? 12 zeros. Now imagine a 5 $1.3 trillion per day market. So that is how much forex is literally worth. Okay, so that's a lot, a lot of money, a lot, a lot of money. Okay, who would not want to be a part of that? A market that's open 24 hours. That's something that I didn't say earlier, but it is literally open 24 hours, y'all. 24 hours, 5 days a week, worldwide. There's another market growing towards 1 trillion, setting the future stage for how everyone will handle money. Welcome to digital currencies, DCX. That is crypto, y'all. I am educated, learning simplified, master the markets, knowing how to build real wealth and freedom. FRX is Foreign Exchange Master Academy. So we do have an academy. Within it would be everybody would have their own like kind of like a back office. Your back office would have where you have an academy that you can watch different videos, but the videos are really not that long at all. But you will learn all about forex as well as you'll learn about HFS. You'll learn about crypto, especially if you get the elite package, which I'm going to get into. Since go live, access over 100 plus full-time educators. So we have 100 plus educators, full-time educators. Connect, collaborate, ask, learn, and succeed. Okay, so you get to connect with them. You get to ask questions. You get to learn, and that's what it's about at the end of the day. Okay. I am powerful. Learn from the best, from them live on your own time. So they are literally live, and you just gotta you will have access to the days, the time, and everything that they are available. And when they all start, you just have to just be there and get to learn. You'll gain more knowledge, and being consistent that will help you learn how to trade, y'all. Choose your weapon. Discover easy to follow strategies through powerful tools that simplify trading. So have tools, y'all, tools to help you with strategies of how you can confirm your trades. You can use those as to help confirm your trades. Once you start getting in there, looking at the markets, reading the charts, learning how to read the charts and be able to help you with confirming your analysis on your trade. Okay, and you can use these tools, these strategies to help you be more successful, because that's what's important at the end of the day. Okay. Uh-oh, I went a little too fast there, didn't I? Oh, how can I go back? Previous. I apologize, y'all. Okay, I was on this part. So yeah, I was done with that part though. Okay, learn and earn on the go. So get easy to follow trade ideas for the market set to your phone. Stay connected, never miss an opportunity to make a profit. So I am also have apps that you can literally download and learn on the go. So basically, if you're a person that's really just consistently always out constantly and never really have time to be at home, I am got you. You can download these apps on your mobile device and literally be able to use the apps to utilize a lot of services that way. Okay, we got Swipe Trades, Gold Cup, Swipe Coin. I mean, it's all there just for you for because they care about their customers. They care about their students. Okay. Earn while you learn in 72-hour rule. Okay, so basically this is where it's showing you this is a trade right here on this is gold. Okay, and you'll learn all this if you have no idea what this is. This is gold. This is buy. The lot size here is 0.10, which is a dollar lot size here. But current price, this is the current price, which is 1274.96, which is the current price of the gold. The entry is right here. So current price would be here. When you're looking on your MetaTrader 4, the entry price would be here, which is 1275.11. That just means that's the price that you enter in. So if you enter in on the market execution, that means that is what you entered in at that price, and then current price is 1274.96. You enter for a buy. Your take profit, which is right here, your take profit would be TP here, so it would show all of that. Okay, then you your stop loss. Okay, so stop loss just mean basically it helps protect, like if you if your trade took a left field or took an L, which is lesson, you will be protected with the stop loss. You won't lose all of your money. Take profit means that you had hit your take profit price, so meaning that you have won that trade, so you hit your TP. So that's a good thing. All right. So this right here is basically Telegram group. Hopefully you can see my cursor here. As you see where it says a sell for GBP AUD market execution, stop loss 1.8796. Then you got TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4. So this is particularly a good signal here. Okay, thank you. A signal here. Sorry, y'all. Say thank you to my son. Um, Here is another MetaTrader 4, another example. These are all good examples of just showing you what to kind of see or what to expect. Um, so, but yeah, so let's move on. E-commerce, e-commerce. Sorry, it is buying and selling online. It's that simple. So yes, y'all, I am not just only focused on trading. They also are showing and teaching you how you can drop ship online, have your own online store. Okay, and who does not want to learn that? Who does not want to be educated on that? Now imagine your very own online store, your own very own online store, getting customers while you sleep and taking orders 24/7 every day. Now imagine having your own store but not having to own a single item, yet you still make a profit after someone's orders. Welcome to drop shipping. So yes, y'all. So this is an amazing, amazing company. ECX Go Live. So get access to members only weekly training calls and get personally mentored by some of the best to help build your store. So you will learn, like you will get mentored on ways of how you can create your dropship. So you're not left in the dark. You're not having to worry about, okay, I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to do that. Who's going to help me? You're going to be guided along the way, and that's what's important. I am ready. So the biggest question we get is, how can you start? Become independent. So here it goes. You can choose a monthly pack. I am ready. FRX Academy, which stands for Foreign Exchange Education, Forex Education Package. It starts up at $234.95. Your monthly price is $174.95. That will include FRX Master Academy, Go Live, Harmonic, FRX. Okay, that's a harmonic. That's a strategy that you can use to help you confirm your trades when you start entering into trades. Okay. HFX Academy. That is a package that I personally have. And I love that package. That's one of my favorites, and I have it. HFX Academy, which stands for High Frequency Education, which is also binary. It's also the same price, start up at $234.95. Monthly price is $174.95. That will include HFX Mastery Academy, your Go Live. See here. So you would get Liberty, even though I can't see that, but hopefully you can. My little tool thing here is in the way of on my restream. It's kind of in the way there, but hopefully that is Liberty. That's a strategy that you can use. You automatically get that. You can use that to help confirm your trades. Okay, and like I said, and I might try to, if I don't forget in this video, I might literally show you how that looks. But let's go ahead and move on. DCX Academy is a digital currency education, which is also crypto education. The start price for that is $234.95, and your monthly price is $174. That would include your DCX, Mastery Academy, Go Live, Liberty Strategy. So you get Liberty as well with DCX. Now the Elite Academy, you would literally get everything. Like if you're the person that say, you know what, I like it all. I like it here. I like to learn more about digital currency, but I also like to learn more um, about forex. I like to learn more about high frequency forex, HFX. I would like to learn about the e-commerce. If you want to learn about everything, like literally every oh, I'm gonna try to do that. If you want to learn about everything, then you will want to get the elite package. The elite package start up at $324.95. The monthly price is $274.95. But that will gives you everything. Let me this little thing here is in my way. Okay. So you would get, well, right now it just says you get FRX, HFX, and DCX Academy. Um, I thought you would get I might be wrong about the drop shipping, the e-commerce. I thought you would get that too, but maybe not. I don't know. But all right, so I have to get a little bit more info, y'all, regarding that. But so far, you will get the FRS, the HFS, and the DCX, okay, for the elite package, okay, 3-in-1 package, okay. You'll get access to the lives, you'll get access to all the strategy, um, that is provided, okay. Monthly pack, ECX Academy. Now, the ECS Academy, it says $324.95. Then the monthly price is $274.95. So that's the monthly. But I heard that they having a monthly special, something where I think it's now like $274 to get started and then $174 a month. I don't know if that's just I think it's just a special. I don't think it's a permanent price, but um, you can, take advantage of that, especially because I know I heard it. There's going to be like a summer special, I believe. So I don't know. Um, you get with me, I'll give you actually a little bit more clarity info regarding that. But yeah, but that is just strictly drop shipping only. Like if you're a person that's saying, yeah, I've been wanting to learn how to drop ship. I've been intrigued by it. I've been doing my little due diligence when researching it, and I'm all in. I'm actually ready to learn more. I'm ready to be educated on it. I'm ready to like be successful at it. Then why not invest in yourself, and why not pay to learn and actually be successful, because that's the only way you're going to be successful, is investing in yourself and educating yourself about this, okay, because nothing is handed to you for free. I mean, literally it's not, okay. I mean, it's just not. So many ways to learn simple trading, okay. Optional add-on strategies. I am educated. Okay, so many ways to learn simple trading. So these are like the strategies I was talking about. Also, these are considered as add-ons. Also, like if you, like say for an example, if you got the forex package only, then you can these are add-ons that you can add on to your package. So like if you wanted to get the Vibrata, which is $21.95, and hopefully my cursor, I don't see it. Okay, here it goes. The Vibrata, which is right here. Um, all of these Gold Cup, Pivot, Steady, DeLorean, Levels, Bounce Back, Gold Cup, Swipe Coin, Barbara. So we got London Payout, Money Flow, Index Infusion, then again Swipe Trade. Swipe Trade is, like I said, copy and pasting, basically take basically signals that's being provided, and at your own choice you can um, take the signal that was given and put it into your MetaTrader 4, which you'll be copying and pasting, or you don't have to. It's just really up to you. No one, it's not mandatory for you to take the signal. You don't have to take the signal, but it is provided, and you can add that service on, or if you get the elite package, it is actually provided to you. It's provided to you. Okay. So let's see where we at. Become an independent business owner. So guess what? Not only are I am is educating you and giving you all kinds of value and ton of info on trading and learning how to trade, but they also say, hey, look, if you refer people, like if you refer people, you're going to get rewarded for it. And so that's what this is all about. You can turn this into a business. Like, keep in mind, we do this all the time. I personally do this all the time. We always refer things without even realizing it. And when we do it, we're not getting rewarded for it. Like anytime you wear an outfit or even some shoes, like if you have some shoes on, you go to out in public places, someone said, "Oh, I like your shoes," and you'd be like, "Oh, thank you," and they ask you, "Where did you get those from?" And you automatically say, "I got it from, I don't know, got it from the mall, got it from Ross, got it from Walmart, got it from Target, got it from whatever store it may be, shoe carnival." I'm just trying to think of all the shoe stores right now, or the places that sell shoes. I mean, but overall, you are promoting these places without even getting rewarded for it. And not only just shoes, but purses, clothing, um, whatever the case may be. You're technically at the end of the day when someone's acknowledging that you have these stuff on and they're telling you you like it, and you say, okay, this is where I got it from. You pretty much promoted that business, that particular store, that particular restaurant. So remember that, y'all. Remember that. Okay, so why not get rewarded? And you can, and I am recognizes people for that. They look at, okay, because they could be actually paying, like professionals to run their ads for them. They can be, having where they get commercials on TV and things like that. But no, they trust their customers, their students to doing that, to be able to go and promote for them. Okay, so it is free. So that is right. You heard it right. So if you refer two people, your monthly service is set for life, okay? Unless that person is not paying or something. But remember what that says. It says refer to active paying customers. Active is the key word. Your customers have to be active. Paying customers to the academies. Hello, free access. So you have automatically free access to the academy, to the services, to everything. Okay. So remember that. Residual income. So three personally, that's all you need. You just need personally refer three people. Three people get you platinum 150. So what does that mean? You get 150 per month, $37.50 per week. Platinum 600. Accumulate 12. Again, keyword is accumulate 12. So that means that it doesn't mean that you have to be the only one to get to 12 people. The people that you so the people so when you personally refer three people, those three people can go out and spread the news and get and bring other people in. As long as y'all all had to accumulate 12 people into your team, into your organization, that's 600 per month, 150 per week. Platinum 1000. You accumulate 30 people. That means what? That means all 12 people went out and referred more people into your organization. That is, and you total that out to 30 people. That's 1,000 per month, 250 per a week. Who does not want that? You can learn how to trade and be getting paid on referring people at the same time. Some people is like, not for it, which is okay. I was one of those people that used to say, hey, look, not for it, not for it at all. I would just focus on trading, which is nothing wrong with that at all. But at the same time, why leave money on the table? Like if there's a way where you can let other people know, spread the news to other people about this opportunity, why not do that? Why not do that? Okay. But at the same time, if you want to, that's entirely up to you too. So let's talk compensation. So this is the compensation so far. So if you are platinum 150, you get 400 says 435. So I wish this thing was not in the way. Let me see, say hide. Oh, good. I was able to get it hide. All right, sorry about that. So platinum 150 again takes three people to refer 37.50 a week, weekly residual. Okay, so platinum 600, 12 people, 150 weekly residual. And remember, weekly, you get actually paid weekly. Okay, platinum 1,000, 250 on weekly. Platinum 2,000. That means that takes what, 75 people in your organization to get 500 a week. Platinum 5,000. That means what? You mean your weekly residual is 12 $150. And it keeps going. Chairman 10, once you get Chairman 10, that's 500 people in your organization. That's 2,500 weekly residuals. Chairman 25, 1,250 people in your organization, 6,250 a week. Come on now. Lot these amounts are amounts that really people don't probably make that at their at their job or whatever. So you gotta keep that in mind. Chairman 100, 5,000 people in your organization, weekly residual, 25,000 a weekly residual. Come on, and I'm skipping over this one so I can say this one to kind of move things a little faster. But Chairman 500 is 3,000 people in your organization. No, I should say yeah, no 30,000. Sorry, my bad. There's 30,000. I obviously skipped over. Oh, I guess, but 30,000 people in your organization. That's weekly residual is $125,000 weekly residual. Okay. So with that being said, who does not want to at least try to start? Like try to start learning how to trade, and on the plus side, you can even start referring people and start being able to make money but learn at the same time. You will not regret this, y'all. I promise you will not regret. These are all the chairmen so far. These are people that actually um like took the time, I should say, well, yeah, take the time to learn to spread the news to other people and not keep it to themselves, but they actually started sharing the news with everyone, letting them know that, hey, look, I'm part of this amazing company. I am, and they just pretty much shared the information. And what happened? Other people started joining. That's how they was able to get promoted to chairman, to let's see, yeah, chairman 100, chairman 10, chairman 25. Y'all, oh my goodness, this can be you. This these people could. This can be you. All right, that's the end of my presentation. Let me let's see here. Hopefully you can. Oh no. Let's see. So I'm still showing I'm still streaming. So let me see if I can stop the streaming part of things. Check your encoder setting. All right. Well, I don't know how to stop the share screen. All right. Well, again, I don't know how without ending it, so I don't want to hit the wrong thing before time. But what I am going to say is, I hope this was I hope this information was useful. If you have more questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Again, I will leave all my info in the description bar or down in the comments. But you would not regret, I promise, you would not regret being able to learn how to utilize this educational platform, be able to learn how to trade. Okay. You know, I don't know if you even aware, like I said, a lot of people is not even aware about trading forex, but hopefully once after this presentation, this would kind of get you motivated, get you ready to get started, or even if this just gets you to the point where you like, okay, I just have questions, then don't hesitate and ask these questions. I mean, do not hesitate. Okay, if you have questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Okay. Yeah, and that says a lot from a person that is really shy and hardly is very quiet. So, but yeah, just make sure you just ask away no matter what the question is. Okay. Other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and end it. I'm 39 minutes in this live. I'm going ahead and end it here. But I hope you guys have a blessed day, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.